Continuing on, CNC number 1779. We're on to the 11-12 Series 1 Tin and Crown Royal. And the Jumbo is for the Washington Capitals, Alexander Semin. Base. Ultimate Team for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Canvas for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Steve Mason. Young Guns for the Ottawa Senators, Mika Zibanejad. All-World Team for the St. Louis Blues, Yaroslav Halak. Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Milt Schmidt. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. The Landyman can. We've got the Canvas Checklist, which will be random between the Lightning, Capitals, and Penguins. Steven Stamkos, Alex Ovechkin, Sidney Crosby. Base. And we got a Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jake Gardiner. Well, that was a hell of a box. Now onto the Crown Royale. Jeez. There. We start with a Calder collection for the Buffalo Sabres, Luke Adam. Oh, that's pretty. We've got a 4-color coat of arms patch numbered 19 of 25 for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. 19/25 for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Jersey numbered, beautiful patch for the win. We've got an All the Kings Men jersey for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. And a ruby for the Washington Capitals, Thomas Vokoun. We've got a Scratching the Surface signatures for the New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. And an Ice Kings for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. And we've got a rookie auto for the Philadelphia Flyers, Matt Reed. And a rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Maxime Masonhour. So coming up next, 12-13 Limited and SB.